Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will help you understand the differences between Neon and Walli. It's important to note that these are two very distinct services, each designed for different aspects of your digital life. Neon operates as a comprehensive digital bank, while Walli focuses on enhancing your device's visual appeal with stunning wallpapers. We will explore what each offers, so you can decide which one, if not both, best suits your individual requirements. Walli is your go-to app for personalizing your phone's look with incredible visuals. It offers a huge library of artistic wallpapers, including innovative AI-generated designs and captivating four-dimensional live backgrounds. With thousands of unique images from a worldwide artist community, you can easily find something to match your style. Walli also lets you set up automatic wallpaper changes, keeping your screen fresh and exciting every day. On the other hand, Neon is a robust digital banking platform, revolutionizing financial services for many. This mobile-only bank provides a full suite of features, including a digital account with zero monthly fees. You get both a physical and virtual card for all your transactions, alongside helpful budgeting tools. Neon prioritizes security, utilizing biometric facial recognition to protect your account and ensure safe financial management. When comparing Neon and Walli, it's clear they serve fundamentally different purposes. Walli is outstanding for anyone seeking to personalize their device with beautiful, unique wallpapers and support artists. Neon, conversely, is ideal for those needing a modern, efficient, and low-cost digital banking experience. Neither is inherently better than the other. Instead, they are both excellent in their respective fields, catering to distinct user requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.